Hello everyone and welcome to this week's edition of NightSky Newscast. I'm your host, Shainna Alipon, science reporter with the Etheridge Planetarium at the College of Southern Nevada. This week we'll talk about some recent astronomy news as well as what's up in our night sky. The evening of August 12 was the peak of the Perseid meteor shower. Were you able to catch it? The Perseids happen every year from July 13th to August 22nd, so there's still some time left to catch it. The radiance is the constellation Perseids, and the meteors are associated with the Swift-Tuttle comet. Here we have some local astrophotography showcasing the peak. Now for some quick highlights in our night sky. August 20th marks when Venus will become a morning star instead of a nighttime spectacle. Catch her early in the sky as she rises before dawn in the next few months. Starting from August 27th, Saturn rises at sunset and will be visible in the sky all night long. On this day in particular, Saturn is in opposition, which means that the Earth is in between Saturn and the Sun. On August 17th, NASA rockets launched student experiments by more than 30 university and community college teams as part of NASA's Rock On Workshop and RockSat programs. The rockets will send the experiments high into our atmosphere, about 70 miles in altitude, and then descend by parachute into the Atlantic Ocean. The experiments range from testing robot arms that will help astronauts on repairs in space to collecting samples of micrometeorites in our upper atmosphere. NASA is always looking for student-made experiments, so this could be your time to shine. Everyone is going to the moon. In the course of this week, Russia, India, and Japan are all planning to put landers on the moon. On August 21st, today, Russia's Luna 25 mission could land on the moon. It was launched about 2 weeks ago on August 11th. They're putting a robotic lander on the South Pole region where water ice is present and will make a year's worth of scientific observations and measurements. This mission was years in the making before the Ukraine war. India is up next on August 23rd or 24th with the Chandrayaan-3 mission. They are also landing in the same place as Russia in the South Pole region. This mission was launched on July 14th. This is a partial redo of a mission from 2019 where a lander was sent to the moon, but it did not land properly and crashed. Finally, Japan launches a rocket on August 26th. This is the X-ray Imaging and Spectroscopy mission, or XRISM, which is a telescope to study plasma in space. This will help scientists understand the composition of the universe and how it was formed. Along for the ride is the Smart Lander for Investigating Moon, or SLIM, which will test lunar landing techniques for future missions. This launch is actually rescheduled from earlier this year when Japan's first rocket launch failed and they had to destroy the satellite on the rocket. Here's to hoping for better outcomes for both India and Japan. And a final announcement, here is a short teaser for the release of the new special immersive planetarium show for Pink Floyd's 50th anniversary of The Dark Side of the Moon, playing at the Etheridge Planetarium this fall. If it's anything like I remember from my start with the planetarium 5 years ago, then it's definitely a show you don't want to miss. Stay tuned for details. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit that like button for more updates on amazing astronomy news and rocket launches. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, too. This is Shainna with NightSky Newscast, and until next time, keep your eyes to the skies and stay curious.